1, 2, 3. Yes! 3 special Baccarat strategies and an extra mind-boggling James Bond one at the end, so stick around! Hey Internet, it's Ed here with CasinoHawks.com, and let's start with a bang! The 3-2 system. Here, you're expected to place 5 chips of equal value and split them across 2 different sets of bets, banker or player, and banker pair or player pair. It goes like this. Place 3 of your chips on the banker or the player. Place the remaining 2 chips on the banker pair or the player pair. Repeat this whole process for each round. Keep in mind that you can mix and match the bets between rounds and adjust the chip value to stay within your budget. It's a simple betting system, but I prefer the next one. Now it's time for my favourite, the 1-3-2-6 system. Complicated? Nah, this is simpler than primary school maths. Just set a chip size for your base bet, for example £2, and follow these easy steps. Make a ×1 bet of your chip size, and if you win, move 1 step to the right on the sequence. If you lose or get to the end, start from the beginning. So, why do I like this strategy? Well, if you manage to win the first 2 rounds, you already have a small profit, and if you win all 4 rounds, you'll profit 12 units, which can result in a very, very good win.
Yeah. That's good.
My advice, focus on player-banker bets only. This strategy works best the closer you are to 50% odds bets. Next, the ultimate 5-5 round system. Simply bet on the winning hand for the first 5 rounds and against the winning hand for the next 5 rounds. And after 10 rounds, start again. Double your bet when you lose a round, and when you win, continue betting by using the table's minimum wagering option. If there's a tie, do not include it in the 5-5 round system. In theory, this might allow you to compensate for any losses and generate a flow of small winnings. Now, it's also very important to keep in mind that these strategies all fall down to probability and luck. So make sure to always play responsibly. Not like in the next crazy bonus strategy we have for you. If you ever wondered what it feels like to be 007, then you should give the James Bond strategy a shot. Here, in each round, you're expected to place an amount you desire at the table and split it across 3 bets, following the 14-5-1 ratio. This means that for every £14 you place on the banker, you need to bet £5 on the player and the other £1 on a tie. It sounds crazy, but does it work? I have no idea. I'm not James Bond. Will you be trying out any of these Baccarat strategies? Let us know in the comments, leave a like, and ring that notification bell. This is Ed wishing you luck and reminding you, as always, play responsibly.